Welcome to our course. I think it's fortunate for you if you come and join us is this is offered for 1 credit or 2 credits or 3 credits. And so anyway, meet some of the rest of our people.
I'm a sport management major and I took this class because I'm interested in educational theory.
I'm Julia. I'm a communication disorders major and I'll probably be working in schools, so I figured
Hi, I'm Adam. I'm a classics major and I'm becoming an elementary school teacher.
I'm Victoria. I'm taking this class because I want to see how math and science teaching relates to special education.
Hi, I'm David. I'm a chemical engineering major, and I took this class because I was interested in science and math education at all levels.
Hi, I'm Rachel. I'm a psychology major. I'm an education minor. I want to be an elementary school teacher, so I thought it would be a good idea to explore teaching math and science.
What makes a good teacher? And we're thinking math and science teaching. So, what do you think?
It makes a good teacher when they know their stuff, particularly with math and science. It's hard when you have a question and they don't know the answer.
I also think it's important for the teachers to know their students' strengths.
I think it's important to think about just not that do they know the answer, but do they know how to find the answer?
You know, on that point, there's been a recent emphasis in math education so that students concentrate more on the process of problem solving. So it's not just about finding the answer, which has been the prevailing, well, at least the prevailing myth about mathematics, that it's always getting the answer and getting it correct. Now, it's more looking at how you got the answer, the solution, path.
The 4 methods of feedback that I'm going to be giving is going to be, number 1, retraction is too low, keep that up high. Fist, come on, tight up, stop looking. Your fists actually look really, really good. They're very, very tight. That means that your hand's not going to break when you hit something.
Nice.
One of the things to work on is try to get your arms to move together. Your fists look good, your hips look good, your shoulders look good. Everything looks really, really good. How do you feel like you're doing?
I hope as good as that guy.
Come on, have a little bit more affinity. How do you feel like this?
Nice, twisty,
Cool.
snappy, twisty.
Okay, you guys can stop.
So what is significantly different about teaching math and science?
That's one reason why I became a math teacher, because with the total opposite attitude, saying nothing's obvious. And even things like on a keyboard, don't assume that people know that it's a space bar.
Yeah, I think that people really don't have a clear understanding early on what science and math or collectively really are. In the case of science, I know that people have this misunderstanding about science being like a set of facts or always changing.
You are using the data to explain why is your experiment it's worth to people, and use this data to explain why this happened.
Yes, and we're living in a time of big data, and we need strong tools to process the big data. So
the interesting part when I read this article was that this method was actually thought up by the Americans in the 1960s, but they failed to implement it due to the fact that the teachers weren't really taught how to use it. When they went to try and do it in their classrooms, it really failed because no one told them how to do it, and they didn't have enough background information on why it would be helpful, so they were really reluctant to change their ways.
He said that many students could have lost when the math moved from memorization to apply this theory to this problem. And basically, with a lot of math teachers, is it's expected that students should hit this wall in math at this age, and only the best students should overcome the wall through their natural talent.
Inspiring.
Thought-provoking.
Enlightening. Innovative.
Unconventional.
Knowledgeable.
Real.
Team building.
Enjoy.
Fun.
Thank you.